Welcome all dear children. This video is on the topic partial covalent character in ionic bonds, and this rule is known as Fazan's rule. So this is the topic of chapter 4 of your class 11 chemistry, chemical bonding and molecular structure. So now children, we are going to study in this very short video. It is explaining the Fazan's rule. So now what happens? Children, if I talk about ionic solids or ionic compounds, we know that we have a cation and we have an anion. Now what will happen? This cation will tend to approach the anion. जब एक cation anion को approach करने की कोशिश करता है. This is cation and it tries to approach an anion. Then what happens when this cation will approach anion? Then anion is having an electron cloud. So the electron cloud of the anion will get attracted towards the cation. When the electron cloud of the anion gets attracted towards the cation, then the electron cloud of anion gets distorted. ये जो पहले ऐसे सर्कल आपको दिख रहा था ये ऐसा हो जाता है. So the electron cloud of the anion gets distorted. When the electron cloud of the anion gets distorted because the cation attract towards it or approaches it, then this effect is known as polarization. This effect is known as polarization. अब क्या होता है, जितना ज़्यादा पोलराइजेशन होता है, ग्रेटर द पोलराइजेशन प्रोड्यूस्ड, मोर इज़ द न्यूट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ द चार्जेस. जितना ज़्यादा पोलराइजेशन होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा चार्ज न्यूट्रलाइज होंगे. ग्रेटर द पोलराइजेशन, जो ये अगर इसका ज़्यादा पोलराइजेशन करता है तो उतना ही ज़्यादा ये चार्ज इस चार्ज को न्यूट्रलाइज करेगा, बिकॉज दीज टू आर ऑपोजिट चार्जेस. So, more the polarization, more the neutralization of charge. And hence, when the charge gets neutralized, the ionic character decreases because ionic character is due to charges only. Ionic character आपको charges के केस में ही दिखता है, और जो charge था वो ही कम हो गया. तो जब charge कम हो गया तो ionic character कम हो जाएगा और covalent character will increase. Now children, what are the factors that are affecting partial covalent character in ionic bonds? So it is what children, it was earlier ionic, but due to polarization it is now showing somewhat covalent character. So this is given by Fazan and is known as Fazan's rule. So what are the factors that affect the partial covalent character in ionic bond, children? It is polarization power is inversely proportional to cation size. अब अगर cation का size बड़ा है तो polarization power of it would be less. More the polarization power, more the size of the cation, lesser will be the polarization power. Smaller the size of the cation, larger will be the polarization power. In the same way, children, more the size of anion, more will be the polarization power. So size of anion is directly proportional to polarization power, and the size of cation is inversely proportional to polarization power. Cation inversely proportional and anion directly proportional to polarization power. Next is children, charge on cation. जितना ज़्यादा कैटायन के ऊपर चार्ज होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा पोलराइजेशन होगा. अगर ये कैटायन इज़ हैविंग मोर चार्ज देन इट विल कॉज मोर पोलराइजेशन. सो मोर कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर विल बी शोन. ओके, सो मोर द चार्ज ऑफ कैटायन, मोर विल बी द पोलराइजेशन. So that's all for this topic. Thank you all and have a nice day.